Converting on Bitunix is a straightforward process that allows users to exchange their cryptocurrencies for other digital assets. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of Bitunix and its conversion process. Bitunix is a cryptocurrency exchange platform that enables users to buy, sell, and convert various digital currencies. First, create an account on the Bitunix platform by providing the required information, such as username, password, and email address. Once the account is created, verify it through the email sent by Bitunix to ensure the account is active and ready for use. Next, deposit the cryptocurrency you want to convert into your Bitunix wallet. This can be done by transferring funds from an external wallet or purchasing the cryptocurrency directly on the platform. Ensure that the deposited cryptocurrency is the one you intend to convert. After depositing the funds, navigate to the conversion page on the Bitunix platform. Select the cryptocurrency you want to convert from and the one you want to convert to. The platform will display the current exchange rate and the amount of cryptocurrency you will receive after the conversion. It is crucial to review the transaction details carefully before confirming the conversion. Check the exchange rate, fees, and the amount of cryptocurrency you will receive. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction, and the conversion process will begin. The conversion process typically takes a few minutes to complete, depending on the blockchain network and the platform's processing time. Once the conversion is complete, the new cryptocurrency will be deposited into your Bitunix wallet. To ensure a smooth conversion process, it is essential to follow best practices, such as checking the current market rates, understanding the fees associated with the conversion, and using two-factor authentication to secure your account. Additionally, it is recommended to start with small amounts to get familiar with the conversion process and to avoid any potential losses. In conclusion, converting on Bitunix is a simple and efficient process that requires a basic understanding of the platform and its features. By following the steps outlined in this guide and adhering to best practices, users can successfully convert their cryptocurrencies and achieve their investment goals.